Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to see how to make breadcrumbs at home. Now I've done several recipes using breadcrumbs and many of you have been asking me substitute for breadcrumbs. Well, you can actually make these at home very easily, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. Now I've made several recipes like crumb chicken, bindi bites, beetroot cutlets, poha cutlets, etc. And I'll give you the links for all these recipes in the description so you can go check it out. So let's get started and see how we can make these breadcrumbs very easily at home. So today we're going to see how to make breadcrumbs. Many of you had requested for that. It's very easy, you can make breadcrumbs at home. To make breadcrumbs, you can either use fresh bread or stale bread. So stale bread, say it's about 2 days old, you can use that because it becomes a little dry. So the key to making breadcrumbs is to toast the bread. So we're making the bread nice and dry before we make the breadcrumbs. Keep the flame on medium and just toast the bread till it becomes to a lovely nice golden brown color. You can either use brown bread or white bread to make breadcrumbs. For making the breadcrumbs, you can also toast the bread in a toaster, but many people might not have the toaster, so this is another way that you can toast the bread on the tawa. So make sure you get this nice golden brown color. Cool the toasted bread completely. Just break them roughly into small pieces. Transfer it to a mixer jar and grind it till you get nice fine breadcrumbs. Now if you see the texture, it's not too fine like powder or too coarse, so make sure it's just right. So there you go, here is this beautiful golden breadcrumbs that you can store in a nice airtight jar or a container, and you can refrigerate it for up to 10 days. Now that you know how to make breadcrumbs at home, you can make all your favorite recipes using breadcrumbs. So there you go, now you can make your own breadcrumbs at home. You can either use white bread or brown bread, that is whole wheat bread, and the key factor is to store it in a nice airtight jar or a container and refrigerate it. You can use it up to 10 days. Now you can try all your favorite recipes using breadcrumbs. So do try all these recipes and post your comments and feedback in the comment section.